Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In these tutorials, I'll be discussing about the occurrence of nitrogen family elements. So they are also called the group 15 elements. The members are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So you know very well they belong to P block. Nitrogen and phosphorus are nonmetals. Then arsenic and stibine, that is antimony, are metalloids. Bismuth is a metal. So as we go down the group, the metallic behavior increases because of the increase in the electropositivity. What do you mean by electropositivity? Electron releasing tendency. So as we go down the group, the metallic nature, metallic behavior increases, and that is why bismuth is a metal, whereas the first members are non-metals, that is nitrogen and phosphorus. And in between that you have the metalloids like arsenic and antimony. When we talk about the occurrence, nitrogen is present in atmosphere almost 78%, and it is also found on Earth's crust as sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate. They are also available as proteins in plants and animals. Then with regard to phosphorus, there are plenty of ores and minerals available in, that is, phosphate based minerals. It can also be called apatite family. Apatite, it's a general formula. You can see the display where the formula is given: Ca9PO4 6 times CaX2, where the X represents the halogen. So based on the type of halogen, the name is given. Suppose if X is fluorine, then it is called fluorapatite. If it is chlorine, chloropatite. Okay, right. Then this phosphorus is available in bones, living cells, and it is also available as phosphoproteins in milk and eggs. Then arsenic, antimony and bismuth, they are generally available as sulfide minerals. So this is the occurrence part of it. Okay, right. Thank you very much.